The key to the perfect fruit filling lies in blending complementary flavors. Opting for a mix that balances sweetness, tartness, and juiciness results in a vibrant and flavorful filling that takes your cobbler experience to the next level. For today's recipe, I'm using mixed berries and apple. Whether you choose to combine 2 or 3 fruits for a medley of flavors or just stick with a single fruit for simplicity, the only thing you need to note is to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And that is the only hardest part of this recipe. As per the season and availability, you can change the kind of fruits in this recipe. In the description box, I have given a couple of choices for you that you can try. As for this episode, just note that apples here needed to be chopped even more. I thought it would shrink a bit while baking, but it didn't. So that's the one mistake I made, sharing it so that you can rectify it if you also intend to use apples. Okie dokie, then simply dump it into the baking dish followed by the rest of the ingredients that include sugar, cornstarch, ground cinnamon and lemon juice. Mix to coat the fruits well. Set this aside and onto another bowl, prepare the cobbler topping. Combine all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder and salt. Stir in the melted butter, milk and vanilla extract until a thick batter forms. That's all about it with this recipe, you guys. Drop spoonful of the cobbler batter over the fruit filling in the baking dish, spreading it out as evenly as possible. Just take care to leave some gaps in between for the fruit juice to bubble through while baking, which also makes the cobbler look aesthetically pleasing, isn't it? So place the baking dish in the preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the fruit is bubbly and the cobbler topping is golden brown and cooked through. Once baked, remove the cobbler from the oven and let it cool slightly before serve. You can serve it warm or at room temperature, optionally topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Pure bliss. Okay, I have to be honest here, out of all the desserts I have made, this has to be my favorite summer dessert. The crunchy top with juicy fruit, it was a combination that I could have all day long. And wasn't this so easy to make? Dump the ingredients, mix it and bake it. So simple. If you thought that this recipe was simple, then the one on the screen now is even simpler than that. Click through it and I'll catch up with you guys on that video. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.